Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Bailey. This is my channel and we're gonna play around with makeup today because that's what we do best. So today, you might have noticed I did a full look. You guys, I put my hair in rollers today because I found my roller kit because I used it on one of my rainbow high dolls. I've also gotten into rainbow high dolls. That's a whole other thing that it's a fun hobby, let me tell you, because they're so cute. Anyway, used my rollers on my doll and then I put them in my hair because I haven't used them since I was in school, which is like 6 years ago. Anyway, my hair was cute and now it's deflated. Besides the point, we're going to be trying a mascara today because I have a full look without lashes or mascara, which is a big no-no for me. You know, I pretty much always have false lashes on. So this needs to change. Today we're going to be trying the Falsies Lash Lift by Maybelline. I have it in the shade 195 Ultra Black, I think it is. 195 Ultra Black. See, I forget some things, but I remember others. We're going to try this out. I literally have so many mascaras just like sitting out here that I want to try. Disclaimer, my lashes suck. They're flat. They're dead to me, honestly. You guys know that they are straight, they grow down, they're not cute. So we're gonna try and see if this is gonna give me the ultimate lash lift, since this is literally called lash lift. It says dramatic length, volume, and lift. Double curved lifting brush. And then it definitely has a before and after. I'm not saying it is, I'm just not gonna say anything. Honestly, super cute packaging. I love the all silver and just like the black and purple like top here. Super cute. This mascara says it's a double curved lifting brush that grabs lashes at their root and lifts. Fiber infused formula thickens and extends lashes with wear that lasts all day. Resists clumps, smears, and flakes. Ophthalmologist tested. I don't know what an ophthalmologist is. Maybe I should date one. Ooh, I should date an ophthalmologist. Sexy. Says it's suitable for sensitive eyes, suitable for contact lenses. I mean, I definitely love a claim, don't get me wrong, but I feel like pretty much any mascara is suitable for anyone wearing contacts. It's just really how you apply it. Okay, so we have fibers in here. Love that. It's supposed to be smudge proof, clump proof, flake proof. Let's put it on. There's no better time like now. Let me zoom you guys in, okay? I really like when you're close, okay? I never know like how close is too close, you know, like how, let me know like how close you want to be to me. Let me know. Now I have already curled my lashes probably like 5 times, but I'm just gonna curl them again just for the sake of, you know, I don't know. I'm using the NYX Eyelash Curler. My lashes typically when I curl them, they don't stay up. Just all of the disclaimers, y'all know they suck. All right, so we're gonna pop some mascara in here. Don't pump your mascara, you're just pushing air in there and you're just drying it out. You know, I love me a good aged mascara, but you don't want bacteria growing in your tube mascara, okay? All right, here we go. So from root to tip, hey? I usually like to go down to my root and kind of like jiggle my brush. I just feel like this kind of like circulates the product on top of the lashes as well, not just like on the bottom. Does that make sense? Okay, so I've been thinking about like doing like story time videos because I have so many like tragic Tinder stories and I feel like that'd be so funny, but I just like don't know if anyone would be interested. My lashes are really staying up with this mascara. Someone in the comments is gonna say, why'd you do your liner that thick? I really thought I was going for a natural look today. Okay, this is natural for me. Okay. Wow. Okay. They're not completely falling just yet, so that's a good thing. I'm gonna pop it on my bottom lashes now because that is always where I put the most mascara, is my bottom lashes. As you know, I typically always have a falsie on, but today, for this video, we're not. Oh, my lashes are clumped together there. Didn't they say no clumping? But it's stuck. Stuck from the eyelash curler. Yeah, like I went on a date, you guys, and this guy literally gambled $1,000. Like, I swear on boy's life. I swear on my life. I swear on everyone's life. Like, is that not insane? And I just really feel like I could just share that with you, you know? Okay, so this is one eye done. What do we think about that? The formula is, it almost feels like, you know, when your mascara has aged a bit, and it's so good, and it's just like in that like gorgeous phase of being nice and sticky but still working. I feel like that's kind of this mascara. My lashes have already fallen, so the weight of that mascara has definitely pulled them down. Okay, well, it held on for 2 minutes, so that's pretty good. I really like the way this is looking on my bottom lashes, not gonna lie. No time like the present. Okay, also when I put mascara on, I zhuzh and then I kind of like slowly like almost mold my lashes so like I'm keeping them curled. Think of like a, I don't even know how to explain. It's like a curling wand. I'm almost like holding it so it stays curled and like slowly pushing up instead of like these quick whoops strokes. I'm kind of like forcing my lash to stay up. I find that that kind of helps me ish. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of a second coat. I always feel like you can't really like go in with coats of mascara, like, I don't know, like once that shit is dry, like it, oh, I just stabbed myself, it's dry. Like there's no way. I honestly, this dried so fast. I haven't done anything except for just like sit here and film. Okay, so my verdict on this is obviously my eyelashes suck and they fell. Like my eyelashes cannot keep a curl for the life of them. It is what it is. Anyway, I really like how this mascara looks on my bottom lashes, and I also, yeah, I actually do like the formula. Let me get my thoughts together on this. For me personally, with my terrible lashes, it's not doing any lifting because my lashes grow straight down, so they're not gonna lift. Fibers, maybe they're super small, I'm not particularly seeing them, but I do really like the formula. The formula acts as a mascara that's already been like lived a little, and I really like that because it just sticks to my lashes, and I love how piecey they look. I don't think I'm noticing particularly any lengthening per se, but you know, a mascara can claim what a mascara wants to claim. All I know is I like the formula. I'm not someone, because my skin is super dry, my mascara doesn't really ever fall down to my cheeks. Also, if you have a little bit of a bigger cheekbone and your skin's oily, that's why your mascara might be falling, because the oils from your skin might be touching your mascara. Just a tip from me to you. But anyway, overall, will I be using this mascara? Absolutely. I really like how it looks on my bottom lashes. I pretty much never wear mascara without a falsie, so you know, guys, I thought maybe this was going to be the one that was going to lift my lashes, but it wasn't. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.